Have you replaced this filter on your car? If you haven't, that may be a problem. Well, it's called a cabin filter. Let's find out what it's used for.
Thomas, what are you doing right here? What are you exchanging here, or replacing, should I say?
The cabin filter.
I see this. I see the old one is very dirty.
Yes, and we've seen worse.
Really?
Oh yes, that's nothing compared to some of the ones we see coming in here.
And of course, here's the new one. Now, what's the importance of the cabin filter?
If you have allergies or things like that, it does filter the incoming air. When you have your AC or even just in your ventilation going, filters all the outside air. So, and we also have a charcoal filter available. If you want to just get it from the regular paper, you get a charcoal one. It's even better for people with allergies. And like my kids, I have to have one in my car because my son, he has really bad allergies, so I do put them in my car, and it does make a difference. Yeah, charcoal ones. So yeah, clean cabin filter. If you got a sensitive nose or sinuses, got to keep it clean. And also odor, because you never know what that's going to trap. So then you could sometimes end up getting all kinds of odors because of a dirty cabin filter. Or like if you got animals, they get really impacted with animal dander. It's pretty serious, yeah. It's gross.
So this is really important for people to be able to change on a regular basis, this filter.
It's wise too, but once again it comes back to if you got allergy issues or anything like that, or your sensitive nose, you're going to pick up on dirty stuff like this right away. You're going to think it's your AC, when in actuality it's the condition of your cabin filter.